Hi, today is day 14 of 90 days English speaking practice. Today's topic is that which topic do you which topic is important for today. Today's topic is that why are you become to extrovert. Yeah, why are to must become to extrovert. This is topic today's this is topic. First of all, I wanna tell you, every child to become extrovert boys, extrovert person, because if you extrovert, then you will do it anything like sport. If you are extrovert boy as a person, then you will be expert, you will be become to expert any field like export education and computer language, in computer field, in a hockey team, in any field. You can easily survive, you can easily capture those things, those potential you can easily capturing. And one more thing is that interesting is things is that when you become extrovert, then your mind is stress free. When your mind is stress free, then your mind capability automatically increase. Your mind is automatically working super fast computer. If your mind is stress free, then you can easily solve anything, any situation. You can escape any situation if you stress free. Totally depend on your stress. If you are anything to taking so many things is stressful, you are living life stressful, then your life is feel like boring. If your like if your life is very boring, then you you have to not enjoy your life. If you not enjoy your life, what to do, what to do, how to survive, how to enjoy your life. Totally. So in this world, so many ultra rich person existing and with stress, so many ultra rich person existing with stress. Then what is the most important things, the most important things in life to become stress free and enjoy your life? Because life is a, people say life is a struggle, but we say life is not a struggle, life is a journey. Just enjoy, nothing to do, just enjoy. If you enjoy your life, then you have to do anything, you will do anything. If you enjoy your life, totally on you enjoying. To come to the point, why to become extrovert any for any voice. If you are extrovert boy as a person, then you have to not a stress boy, then you have to funny boy. Sense of humor is very high. when you s- when you are living stress free life, then you will be always happy, always happy. There is no any things to wait to happy. That things, that car, if I buy, then I will happy. If I this mobile iPhone I will buy, then I happy. So many things depend on your happiness, depend on any other things, not. If your happiness depend on many things, then you have a very unmature guys. You have to enjoy your life. Doesn't depend on any materialistic या any other things to happy. Just enjoy, because life is a journey. Just enjoy life. If you're thinking life is a struggle, then your life automatically become stressful, because once things says that whatever you think, then you will automatically to become that. Whatever you think, then you will be automatically becoming like that. So those to become, just think about this, then you will be become automatically like that, because your thought process automatically doing like that, doing action like that, thinking like that. Anything is that. For example, if I telling that car I can't afford, instead of telling how afford this car, are you looking difference between how can I afford, instead of telling I can't afford that car? The most difference is that, very common difference, but understand my point, what I am saying. To become extrovert, if you are stress free, then you will be become tougher and sport leader. You have to become a leader, class monitor, and sense of humor is very good, and so many girls attracting from yourself if you become extrovert. Then if you are extrovert, then automatically your sense of humor is active, sense of humor is very great, like Samir Raina, Kapil Sharma or Sandeep Maheshwari, so many celebrities, influencer, like that, if you are extrovert person. So I am recommended you suggestion for you. I have a suggestion for you to become extrovert person, to enjoy everywhere, every second, enjoy your life. That's it. My main motive is telling about this topic. I am just saying enjoy your life at every second, because life is journey. Just enjoy. Any problems coming in your life, just enjoy. God, I will say to God, just send me pain, I will enjoy. Send me pain, I will enjoy. So that's it about this topic. Today the day 14 is completed. So and my goal is telling, and last 31 December 2026 I want to achieve. I am achieving one bike and equipment like laptop, yeah, good mobile, good laptop, great laptop, yeah, or desktop, and one bike, and after 4 years one four-wheeler, heavy four-wheeler that can never afford in my relation. The only one I can afford, that car, that four-wheeler. That's my goal. And to become very best version of yourself in every respect. That's my main goals of ending 2026. That is my main goal. This is my main goal, to expert to becoming best version of yourself, to expert anything. I want to completely change in 2026. August, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Only 5 months. 5 months are left. Only 5 months are left. but in 5 months I want to become best version of yourself, and I want to achieve so many things. What I achieve, I already told you. So that's it for today. Meet you tomorrow, day 15.